THE COUNCIL of Trent, the 22nd Session. The Canons and Decrees of the Sacred and Ecumenical Council of Trent. Edited and translated J. Waterworth. Decree touching the petition for the concession of the Chalice. Moreover, whereas the same sacred and holy Synod in the preceding session reserved unto another time, for an opportunity that might present itself, 2 articles to be examined and defined, which articles had been proposed on another occasion, but had not then been as yet discussed, to wit, whether the reasons by which the Holy Catholic Church was led to communicate, under the one species of bread, laymen and also priests, when not celebrating, are in such wise to be adhered to, as that on no account is the use of the chalice to be allowed to any one soever; and whether in that case, for reasons beseeming and consonant with Christian charity, it appears that the use of the chalice is to be granted to any nation or kingdom, it is to be conceded under certain conditions; and what are those conditions. It has now, in its desire that the salvation of those on whose behalf the request is made, may be provided for in the best manner, decreed that the whole business be referred to our most holy Lord, as by this present decree it doth refer it, who, of his singular prudence, will do that which he shall judge useful for the Christian commonwealth, and salutary for those who ask for the use of the chalice. Indiction of the next session. Moreover, this sacred and holy Synod of Trent appoints, for the day of the next session, the Thursday after the octave of All Saints, which will be the 12th day of the month of November, and thereon it will decree concerning the sacrament of order, and the sacrament of matrimony, etc. The session was prorogued until the 15th day of July, 1563. End of Doctrine on the Sacrifice of the Mass.